Hi friends, Param, back with module number 3 of non-finite verbs. In module 2, we saw PIG, participles, infinitives and gerunds in non-finite verbs, and now in module number 3, we are going to find out the difference between present participles and gerunds. Let's start with all these three. PIG, participles, infinitive, gerund. Well, we should be able to identify them because that is the question. Identify the non-finite verb and state its kind. Or rewrite using a gerund or rewrite using an infinitive. So you should first know how to identify an infinitive, a gerund, a present participle or a past participle in the sentence. The easiest to identify, my dear friends, is the infinitive, to plus verb. Nothing required, to plus verb, to help, to play, to run, to eat, to sleep, to walk. Infinitives. Absolutely, my friends. Now, it is very easy to identify a past participle also. Why, sir? Because past participles is the verb form definitely ending in en or ed or ne or t. So, where is the confusion between the present participle and the gerund? Because both appear the same. But my dear friends, appearances are deceptive because they have different functions. It becomes so easy once you know their function. How to identify, how to differentiate? Let's have a look, my dear friends. Let's start with gerund. Now, a gerund is ending in ing, just like a present participle. But, listen to me carefully. A gerund does the work of a noun. And you know how to find a noun in a sentence. Ask who or what or whom or what before or after the verb. Remember, subject and object. So, a gerund is a verbal noun, and when we ask the question what to the finite verb in the sentence, the answer, if it comes, will be a noun, and that, if it's ending in ing, would be the gerund. Let's take an example. Swimming is my hobby. Now, my dear friends, as you know, we have to identify the non-finite verb. It is swimming. So, remember this. Whenever you see an ing verb, first thing, ask the question what to the verb. You see ing? Ask, what is my hobby? And the answer is swimming. So, my dear friends, swimming is a gerund. What is a gerund? A gerund always answers what to the verb. It is ending in ing. My dear friends, let's take one more example. Here we go. I love reading. Now, identify the non-finite verb, reading. And you know what is to be done. Whenever you see a non-finite verb ending in ing, ask the question what to the verb. I love what? And my answer is reading. Absolutely, my dear friends, reading is a gerund because it answers what to the verb. Simple. Whenever you are supposed to identify a non-finite verb, and if it is ending in ing, ask what to the verb. As simple as that. So here we are, my friends. Now let's look at present participles. Obviously, the answer is if an ing, which is non-finite, does not answer what to the verb, it has to be a present participle. Right? Because if we ask what, and if it answers, it is a gerund. And if it doesn't answer, it is a present participle. So, my dear friends, let's take an example. The class is full of smiling faces. Identify the non-finite verb. So simple. Smiling. Is it ing? Yes. Whenever it is ing, ask what to the verb. The class is full of what? Can I say the class is full of smiling? Wrong answer. The class is full of faces is the correct answer. So, smiling is not a gerund. Amazing. Let's take another example. Here we are. Seeing the police, the thief ran. Again the same thing. Identify the non-finite verb. Seeing. Whenever it ends in ing, what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to ask what? The police what? The thief ran what? Does it make any sense? Absolutely not. Therefore, it is not possible to frame a question with what to the verb here. So ing here, seeing, is not a gerund. It is a present participle. My dear friends, we have perfected all our three participles, infinitive, gerund. Now, what are we going to do in the next module? Adjectival participles and verbal participles. See you there, my friends.